Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how to create a skill agent inside Claude AI for free. All right guys, so I'll be showing you how you can create your own skill agent in Claude for free. This allows you to automate tasks like writing, research, and even business workflows using AI. Yes, it is actually possible to create an AI agent inside of Claude. All right, so the first step is signing up for Claude. So make sure you have a Claude account. Once you have created an account, you'll be dropped at the home section, which is claude.ai/new, seeing as it's a new chat. All right, so now what is a skill agent? A skill agent is basically a custom AI setup that performs specific tasks for you automatically. Basically, it's an AI that automates tasks. That's just what it does. Now, it can be used for content writing, YouTube script generation, email assistance, research assistance, or assistance. Instead of repeating prompts, you can just create one system that does the job every single time you need it to. All right, so the first thing you need to do, like I said, is to have an account and then just, prompt it. This is where you'd be building your chat on the new chat here. This is where you build your agent. So all you need to do now is we're going to define the role of your agent. What you're going to be prompting in the prompt bar here in the space here is you are a professional YouTube script writer. Your job is to create high retention scripts with hooks, steps, and clear explanations. Always format your answers in sections. This tells Claude exactly how to behave. So basically, you are restructuring an AI. As you know, Claude has sessions, what we call sessions. Basically, it's different chats. So where you have different chats on Claude, you could, you can see your recents on Claude. Now, each of these chats can be customized in a manner in which any prompt that is dropped there is unique. So you can drop a YouTube script request on one of the recents you have. You can drop it in AI agents, and it's going to build a YouTube script agent instead of actually giving you a YouTube script. All right, so back to what we are trying to do. So all you need to do now is simply prompt it. So you could just simply enter something like, you are a professional YouTube script writer. Your job is to create high retention scripts with hooks and always format your answers in sections. This tells Claude exactly how it's meant to behave in this chat room. Like I said, each chat room is unique. Now, all you need to do to make your agent powerful is to add clear instructions. So the more detailed your instructions, the better your results. So the more you add to the conversation, the more precise your requests are. That's how good your Claude agent would get, basically. All right, so let's go ahead and simply enter the prompt. All right, so we have gone ahead to give it a prompt that it is a professional YouTube script writer. Its job is to create high retention scripts with hooks, steps, and clear, simple explanations. You are an AI agent, basically. Now, all you need to do is just hit enter, and then Claude is going to receive this piece of instruction and curate itself. So it's, the chat, as you can see, the chat is set to professional YouTube script writing at the top here. You can rename the project or simply add it to a new project and other pieces of information. All right, so now what we're going to be doing here, it's asking questions. What type of video are you making? Is it a tutorial, an explainer, a story, a lit skill? Let's go ahead and close this. I don't want to be notified yet. And you could go ahead and skip this option, or you could just select it. So let's say I want tutorials to be done. Let's say tutorials. And how long should the scripts be? Let's say shorts. And then what's my target audience? Let's say beginner or the general public. So basically, we've given it the questions and answers, and now it's gonna, create something. All right, so it's now beginning to ask questions. So, what is the topic of your tutorial? Is it how to make money, how to start a YouTube channel? We could just ask it, or this is the most important part here, which is actually testing your agent. So, you can now test your agent with a task like, create a script about digital marketing. If the output isn't perfect, you could simply refine your instructions. So, let's just go ahead and enter something like, all right, so I've gone ahead to give it an instruction. All right, so I've given it a task, and now let's go ahead and hit enter here. And it's going to begin, creating something here. So it's reading the front end design scale for high quality output. I guess it's meant to be a script. Okay, so let's see. It's crafting a full script and it's trying to render it. All right, so once it's done crafting the script, all you need to do is refine and improve. So keep improving and keep improving your agent by adjusting the prompts. This process makes your agent smarter over time. You could ask it to make it more engaging, add examples, simplify the language, include, details that people wouldn't notice. All right, so far it has gone ahead to create, a script for me, which I would be making use of in the future. But basically, it has giving us everything we need: a call to action, a optimize and upload. It just broke everything down into about 4 steps, and your script is ready. So here's a quick breakdown of makes, what makes it high retention. Basically, it includes the CTA. Each step is tight, and you remember we had set this to 3 to 5 minutes, so it didn't go past the limit. So someone who wants short clips can, create short clips. If you want something more, you would have to go and change the script duration. All right, guys. So once you're done making use of this, how can you go about saving and reusing your agents? To reuse your agent, simply copy and save your prompt. The most important thing is saving your prompt, as these are all text-based prompts. You're not dropping a block of code here. So just simply go ahead and copy this, or edit it out, and just make sure you find somewhere to keep it. And then once you've stored it, you could keep reusing it on different chats, or most especially this chat here that includes the professional YouTube scripting. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.